On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Karen Locasal, and I'm here to tell you about gourd art. Gourd vessels and gourd bowls. So we found our perfect gourd, what's going to work for us. We've got it all nice and cleaned. We've cut the top of it out, and we've also gone inside and cleaned out the inside as well. So now we have a nice bowl-shaped gourd. It's nice and clean inside and out, and we can decide what we want to do for our design. Now for the designs, you can either freehand it with just a basic pencil if you have simple designs that you would like to do. If you want something a little more harder and a little bit more complex, there's all kinds of books out there with all kinds of designs and patterns on them. Doesn't have to obviously be Southwest. I, being from Arizona, tend to like the Southwest designs. But there's all kinds of books with different patterns. Children's books are really good to look for, children's coloring books. You can also use your rubber stamps. Basic rubber stamps work great. Stamp them on a piece of paper. Put that paper on your gourd, a little bit of carbon paper. Put your design on there and then just draw it on there and wood burn it on there, and you've got your design.